When selling my house, should I add FHA and VA terms or just take conventional offers only? In my 40 years in the real estate business, I've been asked this question a lot. Almost every seller asks me, should I add these terms or just sell it cash or conventional? In this video, I'm going to discuss the pros and cons, and hopefully you'll come to make a decision for yourself that makes sense for you. First off, more buyers looking at your house means you're going to have more showings on the house, means you're going to have more offers on your house, and it means you're going to be able to get a better sale for a higher price under the terms that work for you. When I ask sellers why they're considering not putting FHA and VA terms, they tell me that they're afraid of the repairs or it takes too long to close. The reality is FHA and VA repairs, if required at all, are way easier than they used to be. It's only minor things. And most of the time, in a lot of cities, the cities require a city inspection and do the repairs anyway. And the FHA inspector, they require way less than what the city does. The city is way worse. And FHA and VA repairs are nowhere near what they used to be. Also, they cite time to close. And basically, by adding FHA and VA terms, you're looking at adding maybe a week to 10 days longer than if you just took a conventional sale. Now, as far as a buyer is concerned, it's way tougher to get approved for a conventional mortgage than an FHA or VA. For instance, on a conventional mortgage, you need about a 620 credit score or higher. Whereas on FHA with 10% down or 3.5% down, you can get approved with a 500 credit score or even a 580. That's very tough on a conventional. VA doesn't have a minimum credit score. They look at the whole picture. Also, there's something called a debt to loan ratio or debt to income ratio. On conventional, 43% of your income is the max that they'll approve with your credit cards and car payments and everything in there. Whereas FHA, you can go up to 50%. On a VA, they don't really have a hard guideline, but they look at the overall picture. Minimum down payment on conventional is 20% down. But with really, really good credit, you may be able to get into a place with 3% down. FHA requires 3.5% down with a 580 credit score or 10% with a 500 credit score. Whereas with the conventional, you're still looking at a 620. VA doesn't have any guidelines, but the lender will look at it and just make a decision based on your overall picture. Conventional, if you have less than 20% down, you have to pay something called PMI or private mortgage insurance. But on conventional, that's about 2 or 3%. On FHA, it's only 1.5% upfront. And on VA, it's only 1.4. So the private mortgage insurance on the FHAs and the VAs are way less than a conventional loan. Loan limits in my area, it's not a really big deal for any of those mortgages. The 2023 loan limits on conventional is $726,000. On FHA is $472,000. They don't really have limits on VA. It's on a case-by-case basis. Now, here's where it makes a difference. Very few people can buy your house for cash. They don't have the cash in the bank. More people can do a conventional. On a conventional loan, about out of 100 buyers, about 20% can go conventional. So out of 100 potential buyers or people interested in your house or your area, you have 23 buyers to market your house to. If you add FHA terms, that adds another 45% of people that can buy your house. So out of 100 buyers, you went from 23 buyers, now you got 45 buyers. You doubled the number of people that can buy your house. And if you add VA terms to it, that's another 10% of the people because you have to be a veteran. So out of 100 potential buyers, you got about 79 to 80 buyers. So the more buyers, the more people interested, the more competition for your house, and the higher price in terms you're going to get. Again, I'm John Gonzalez with Gap Realty Group in Downriver, Michigan. I'm making these videos to help you sell your house in a shorter possible time for the greatest amount of money. I hope these help you. Please check out my other videos and click your like and subscribe button. Thank you and good luck.